Hi everyone, I'm sure everything is going well in your life. I'm here to talk about need of a dietful nutrition, and of course it's during the pandemic COVID-19. There are many questions, many things to ask, but I want to know, have you smiled today? If not, then give me a broad smile on your face. Healthy diet should be the part of everyone's response to this crisis. The worry is what best to do to sustain our diet and health, no matter where you are and what is available in your market. The first thing comes to take care of your health. And friends, the first thing you should do is hydrate. The body is made up of 75% water. The usual recommendation is 8 glasses per day of fluid. Make sure be sufficient in hydrate with 2 or 3 liters of water consumed throughout the day. Like edibles such as rice, pasta, bread, root crops, choose things like whole grains, bread and mixed grain rice, which release energy more slowly, fueling your body to live longer, stay healthier and maintain your weight. Remember guys, grow foods rebuild your body when you are unwell or have an infection. They are often required in a small amount, but it is essential that they are consumed daily. This includes meat, fish, eggs, milk and other dairy products. Eat colorful fruits and vegetables which are having enormous source of energies. If allowed, go outside for a walk or a run while keeping a safe and distance from others. If you cannot leave the house, find an exercise video online, dance, music, do some yoga, walk on stairs, do the jumping, stepping up, which can build you very stronger. Regular warm up of the body is required. Rest regularly and sleep at least 7 to 8 hours daily. Mind it, sleep 7 to 8 hours daily. Exercise, but it should not be exhausting. Remember, a half an hour walk a day. Maintain your body with the normal body weight. A balanced diet, of course, is required, but physical activity is also required. Essentially, these days, you should often consume a small and light meal. Hope you are taking this. And if you are stressful, this can be, of course, harmful. Good nutrition is about more than filling people's stomach. Remember, filling people's stomach is the main important thing. All foods have some vitamins and minerals, but colorful fruits and vegetables, which you call the fresh foods, are generally rich in vitamins and antioxidants. The most important note as make cooking and eating a fun and meaningful part of your family routines. Friends, be together, have helping hands with each other in cooking and making foods. Eat full of your fills, eat full of your appetite, full of your tummy with a smile. Though whatever you eat, but wash your hands with soap and water before eating. Always use clean utensils and plates. Finally, I'll quote, do only 3 things. That, of course, is in Hindi, khoob khao, khoob khelo and khoob padho. Eat much, play a lot, study smartly, be healthy. And remember, if you eat much, you will be physically fit. If you play much, you will be stronger. If you study smartly, you will be full of intellectual thoughts and ideas which will give you stamina of brain and it will help you to grow further. So I hope the nutritious diet along with your physical exercise will keep you smart, healthy and well. Thank you and have a wonderful day.